Do I look washed out or what? I feel like I do.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. I've had quite a few requests on how I make my hair look like this. As many of you know, I had longer hair and I got it cut recently. I'm not sure why. I think I felt like I needed some sort of hairstyle. Now, it's not much different than how I styled my longer hair. There is just an extra step. Shorter hair doesn't necessarily mean an easier style. In fact, I think that shorter hair requires more styling because look, it's boring. So this is what my hair looks like straight-ish. It's about a day and a half dirty, and I don't think I have worn it straight since I got it cut. I just don't feel like it looks so fantastic. So let's get started. I basically just use one of these wand curling irons where you have to use a glove, and I wrap it around and I leave the ends to not be curled. So see, I am more concerned about having curls toward the top than I am at the bottom. In fact, I'd like the bottom to be very straight. So there is that end sticking out. And instead of boring you with curling my entire head, I'll probably just speed it up. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, I'm just gonna say that I am finished for now because it takes a long time to get just this far. Do you guys have one side of your hair that curls better than the other? This side actually doesn't hold curl as long as this side, so I make this one extra curly so that within the day it evens itself out. So I have plugged in yet another item, and that is a straightener. Yes! Right after I curl it, I straighten it. Makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? So when I have these even waves on either side, I still have this sort of wave at the bottom, and that's not what I want. So let's fix it. I just start where that last curve is and I straighten it. And my hair goes in sort of a downward slope. So see, I've just straightened it a bit down at the bottom, and I do that all around, and it makes a huge difference for I don't know what reason. So see that side? Watch this. How counterproductive is this? And sometimes I will straighten more than I really wanted straightened, and I'll go back in with this, which I don't think is hot anymore. Let's just see. A little. So I must say that this hairstyle looks much better the next day. I don't know if it's being slept on or that it's a little bit dirtier, but that's just the case. And the back is even less exciting than the front. But I don't worry about it too much because I can't see it. And the person behind me can just suck it. Just kidding. So there we have it. Pretty simple, right? No, not so much. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video on how I style my shorter hair. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.